Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I am SendIt Steve. Today is the final merge plug for the OBS Chevy. Now, I know a bunch of you are extremely relieved that this is over. I'm extremely relieved also because, guys, just like it kills you to do it, it's not really the most fun or entertaining thing to do. And it sort of kind of wrecks my brain from time to time because it's like, how many times can you say, hey, enter to win this truck, in an interesting way? You really can't. But today we are actually going to take this truck. I got to get a load of stone and everything for the driveway. As you can tell, it is starting to be mud. All back through here is now mud. The tires on the truck, you can see every vehicle here has mud on their tires, and it's starting to absolutely drive me insane. Plus the dog's kind of running in and out this area here, so we're going to get a load of stone and everything dropped. We're going to get it spread, but first let's go ahead and get a cold start on the OBS, and we're taking it. Literally the final couple hours. Tonight at midnight, which is December 16th at midnight 2019, the giveaway is over. You won't see it anymore. So every dollar you spend is now worth 5 times the entry, 5% off, and free shipping using Final5 as your promo code. Man, am I gonna miss this truck. This was absolutely an amazing truck. It runs and drives great. Somebody's gonna get a fantastic truck for just, a small little purchase. But there we have it. Let me get the truck out of here. We'll get a cold start on it, and we're gonna go order our load of stone. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of the final times that I'm driving this truck, and it is going to be a little sad to see it go, to be honest with you guys. I mean, as you can tell, if you live in the backwoods, in the sticks, the truck's gonna fit right in. I'm gonna be sad. There's no two ways around it. This truck leaving is not gonna be an easy one, but you know what? It's one of them things where I'm blessed to do. I'm thankful I'm able to do it, and I can't wait to hand the keys over to you guys. So again, Final5 is your promo code for the last few hours here to get entered. Do not miss your chance. This is a great truck, guys. Just out here cruising the quarry. All right, we're off to get stone. All right, well, after almost getting run over by a truck, we've got the truck here, and you can tell these tires are just slinging mud everywhere. This is definitely by far the dirtiest this truck has been since the revamp, but we're getting our stone delivered, and we'll get it all spread. So let's head back to the house. Play with one of them one day. How do I get in one of them? All right, let's get back to normal ground. in one piece. I definitely got to get fuel for this thing, and I definitely kicked up some mud. So we're gonna get this thing detailed. I do have another seat to get in it and all that, so stay tuned for that, guys. But there you have it. We got a load of stone coming. Definitely get entered to win this truck. It's freaking killer. It's badass. I love it. And, you know, I'm happily sad to see it go. This daylight savings time is really kicking my butt lately, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I used to get a lot of things done, you know, mid-mornings, afternoons, and then hang out with the kids a little bit, then get back out there and start doing work. But I'm gonna have to start figuring out a different way to try to get some things accomplished, or we're gonna need a bigger shop or anything. I don't even know. But if you, as you guys do know, we do have the shop over there in Hershey, Pennsylvania, but it's actually getting to be, well, it's full. At the end of the day, it's just full. My video's rendering and playing. I got to get these heads sent out to Texas Speed. I'm not sure if you guys can see the cylinder heads here, but we do have a set of cylinder heads that have to go down to Texas Speed to get ported and polished. If you something you guys need, definitely check those guys out. But that's off topic. They were just kind of staring at me, talking to me, so I decided to point those out. Those are 317 heads. Those are going to go down, get milled, and they are going to go on a 6.0 that we have built or being built for one of my projects. So if you don't know, definitely, you know, feel free to browse the channel a little bit and see what we got going on. One other thing I do want to say to everybody that I really super appreciate everyone who has entered, who is going to enter, and everyone who just flat out supports me. I mean, the support system, you know, out there is absolutely amazing. Yes, there's some haters, there's some people that leave negative comments, and I'm starting to realize that, you know, the people that leave the negative comments are the people that are, you know, they're just doing it to try to get a rouse out of you and things like that, which it doesn't typically work. You know, you guys who follow me on a regular basis, you know, probably I'd say, I don't know, maybe twice a year it really gets to the point where it bothers you and it gets annoying. And it's more annoying than anything. It's not that it bothers me or anything. It's just it gets annoying to read negative comments, you know, every single freaking video. But, I mean, I guess it is what it is. You guys are keyboard warriors and you get to enjoy your time. But we're not here to talk about that. But I want to, again, say thank you. Huge thanks to everybody that has entered or will enter within the timeline and the guidelines. It was a huge success. You know, just being able to hand the keys over and the title to a vehicle that runs and drives to hopefully somebody that is in need of it. You know, that's what I would like to do. If somebody that, you know, I'd hope that it's somebody that really super needs it, that they don't have a vehicle or something along those lines. That would be amazing. I don't even know where. It's so hard to just sit in front of a camera and just like try to compile all your words, especially when you have this much emotion going on. With being able to do the giveaway, it's just an amazing feeling to know that somebody out there is going to be super excited to receive this truck and they're going to enjoy it for hopefully many years. So again, guys, the merch plugs are over. I gratefully thank each and every one of you that has stuck around and listened to them every single video. I know it gets old, but it is also something that you got to do when you put that much into a project and all that. You want to get the word out there. You want to try to spread it as best as possible. And you know, the easiest way to do it is through a video. I mean, I post videos on a regular, consistent basis, and that's what I try to do. So everybody that has dealt with my merch plugs, I sincerely, truly appreciate it. And everyone who you know, hates it and, you know, doesn't want to watch a channel or hasn't watched a channel because of the merch plugs, I completely get it. I actually watch some YouTube videos from time to time too, and I'm like, man, merch plug after merch plug, it does get old. But it's also, like I said, as an influencer and you know, an advertiser, it's the way to get your product out there, and it's a way to get your name out there, and it's, you know, it's kind of what you got to do. So we won't be doing any giveaways for any time soon. I can promise you guys that. It's not going to be a channel based on giveaways and things like that. We're going to go back to some more how-to videos. We're going to go back to some burnouts. We're going to have some fun, some four-wheeling, off-roading. Keep in mind, storm work. I'm going to be doing some of that coming up here soon, hopefully. I've been waiting to get the calls for it. I'm ready. The truck is 100% ready to rock, ready to roll. So as soon as I get the phone call for that, we will be doing storm recovery videos and, just, videos in general to have fun. You guys are just truly amazing. And if you don't know, I do actually have a P.O. box, so if you guys want to send me anything cool, I will feature it on on the channel. I know I had 2 or 3 people say that they sent me something. My P.O. box will be linked right here, or it's in the second link in the description. But again, guys, I truly appreciate each and every one of you. The good, the bad, the ugly, it happens. You're all here for me. And even if you're not here for me and you just, like to browse the channel every now and then, or if you're new, smash that subscribe button, smash the like button. It all helps. It all adds up. And it really helps me to do amazing and fun things. I wanted to touch base on these wheels. These are actually for the GTA project. And most of the stuff up over here in this corner and this area is for the GTA project. So again, guys, if you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And, all done before Christmas. It's basically up to the sweepstakes company to get everything out there, do their feelers, get back to me, and then we go ahead and present it to you guys. So if you guys don't see it right away, don't sweat it. It is going to come. It is going to happen. And like I said, I'm hoping to be able to get this truck delivered before Christmas. So there you guys have it. Take care, and I will see you in the next upload. Bye.